Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Just a short video of this vending machine. As usual, the top row is fantasy casting, mostly except for the London taxi. And then there is a Jeep Cherokee in red color over there. Hot Wheels Steam Bone Shaker with the white wheels, very nice. Here we have Quick Bite food truck with the Ford Escort behind. Then here, Batmobile, Unimog, Ryujin Express. I can't see beyond that. Robo Race. And then there is a Mazda RX-7. This Ford Mustang, I believe if it comes with rubber tires, is the Super Treasure Hunt. Dodge Dart. The red Toyota van, which is interesting. Another Ford Mustang, Ford Transit Connect. Now there's a lot of premium cars. Let's see the Camaro from Boulevard Series, color shifter Cadillac CTS, and the Renault Alpine from Autostras. Mercedes is behind, and another Volvo. Fast and Furious, Mitsubishi Eclipse. At the back we have Nissan Skyline in yellow and another Mitsubishi Eclipse. Bottom row, all fantasy casting. There's a Volvo there. Should I buy the Toyota van? This is the first color. The secondary color is in gray. So maybe not. I'll wait for a third color. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.